everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I like doing unboxing and try-on videos from clothing subscription services. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join us. And for my returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Today I'm very excited because, yes, I got my fourth Nadine West package in the mail. And it seems like each package has got progressively better. The first one I didn't like at all. The second one I liked one item. The last one I liked several items. So I'm excited to see what she sent me this time and see if it keeps improving. For those of you who don't know what Nadine West is, I'll give you the quick little rundown so we can get straight to the fun part though. It is one of the more economical styling services out there. It's actually less than $10 for each time you get styled. $9.78 to be exact, I believe. Yeah, but you go on their website, you'll fill out a style profile. A stylist will put together 3 to 5 looks for you. You'll receive them in the mail. You have 3 days to try everything on in the comfort of your own home. You only pay for what you like and you send back the rest for free. Anything you do buy, your $9.78 will be subtracted off of the total, so you're not out that styling fee. But if you keep nothing and you send everything back, then you're just going to be out the $9.78. Yeah, so that's basically it. I will leave a link down below if you would like to try Nadine West, and it will take you to the website and it will explain anything that I just left out. Okay, so let's go ahead directly and do a little peekaboo inside the bag before we get to the trying on. Now, I went ahead and I already cut the tape right here. And also, for those of you who don't know, when you open this, see how I carefully open that? Because anything I don't keep, I have to put back in this bag and send it back to them. So you don't want to like just go crazy and rip the bag to pieces. Carefully open it and take your time so it'll be easier, and then you'll just put the return label on this and send it directly off. So just take your time. First item out, I'm going to go ahead and put my glasses on so I can see a little bit better, guys. Looks like maybe a scarf. See how everything's so nicely wrapped, guys. But yeah, that looks like an animal print scarf. That's going to be my guess of what that is. That's got promise. A lot of animal prints going on this year, and I'm not mad about it. And some jewelry. This looks like it's going to be a bracelet. So, and see, all the jewelry always comes in this pretty little pink bag like this. Okay, we got some more, guys. We got a bigger bundle now. Oh, starting to get heavy. All right, let's see. Here it is, the second bundle, nicely wrapped again. And this looks like maybe another scarf. I see some fringe right there. Yeah, so then something pink with some flowers. And then something looks like maybe a navy blue, and then something green. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Okay guys, let's get straight into the try on. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I've tried everything on and I can't wait to go over everything that she sent me today. But first I want to start with the jewelry piece. This was called the Jeanette. It's called an antique silver bracelet, and this is $11.99. And as you can see, it's stretchable like that. I like it, and the thing I like about it is it kind of goes with my ring. Like if you look at my ring right there, my moon ring, it has the same like design on it. So I'm kind of liking it, guys. I don't know if I'm going to keep it though, but it does go with my ring. So I like that about it. Here, probably show up better against the black shirt. But yeah, $11.99, cute. I'll think about it. Okay, so now let's get into the clothes part. Okay, first off, we are all over the place with Nadine West. We start off in the winter, in the fall, and then we transition back into summer again. So the first two looks are the fall transitional pieces, and I'll start with this scarf. This scarf, oh, it is so nice. I really like this scarf. This is called the Pashmina Gliter Assorted. What that means, I don't know. But it's $19.99. And I try to hold it up for you guys so you can see how long it is and so you can see how beautiful this pattern is. And this is a good quality material. This is not like some cheap junk. I really like this. And I like the little tassels at the end. And it felt like scarves. I love scarves, but if they're the wrong material, especially because they're against my neck so much in the wintertime, and it gives me itchy, I don't care how pretty it is, I will not wear it. And this is a great material. It felt nice against my skin. I would probably wear this most of the winter, to tell you the truth, because I really did like this. And I tried to style it a couple different ways in the video. My first, I just put it on as, you know, just to show you the scarf. And then I just recently bought a black cardigan off my Natalie Attired. I think I still have the tag hanging off of it. So I put the black sweater cardigan with it to show you, you know, how you would like run to the grocery store, throw a sweater on a scarf. And then I think I wrap it a different way too, so you guys could see that kind of look, like wrap it like you would wear under a coat, and then like, you know, have it like short and then put a nice winter coat with it. But yeah, a very lovely scarf. I really enjoyed this scarf. This is probably going to be a keeper for me because I'm funny about scarves, and this really surprised me. Okay, so now let's go into the next little item, which we're still going into fall transition. This is called a Wild Cardigan. Guys, it is very lightweight, see-through, but this is perfect for this time of the year. You know, like you could still wear a tank top like during certain parts of the day, but then your arms will get chilly with air conditioning or whatever, or it just gets chillier later in the day. And this is just so lightweight. I love the cheetah print. I love an animal print, especially if one like this. I really like this. But let me give you the details about it, guys. This is called the Wild Cardi Brown to Animal. That's how she labeled it. It's $23.49. Yeah, $23.49. I wish it was a little bit like $19.99. But I liked it, and so this is probably going to be a strong contender for me too, because I could see me like throwing this on really quickly with almost any black shirt I have. Tank top, you know, I could see me getting a lot of use out of something like that. And I liked how the length was. It would look good with leggings and just jeans. I really like this. I was very shocked by this one. So yeah, the material, it is 90% nylon and 10% spandex. So it does look like it could get caught up on something really quickly, and it would almost like, you know, like a pantyhose. It would like run, and it would probably be ruined pretty quickly. So yeah, but besides that, I loved it. I liked it a lot, and this is probably going to be another strong contender for me. But you guys let me know what you think. I don't know. Okay, so now we went with a lovely scarf, fall, nice little transitional cardigan for lightweight weather, and now we're back to summer. So I'm probably not going to get this because I'm done with summer, but if she sends me this next summer, I'm probably going to buy it. I'm gonna write a note, say, please send me that dress that I couldn't afford because I have to, like, you know, make sure my money goes to winter stuff now and I can't go backwards and go into summer. But this dress was so cute. I loved it. Like, I could see wearing it with flip-flops in the summer, and it's just very casual, easy breezy. It didn't, you know, like some of her dresses like can get really snug. It's very loose fitting, flowy. So she's definitely nailing my style, guys. I told you every time it's getting better and better and better. So, I mean, the first two pieces, I'm almost positive I'm keeping those. And this, I would probably keep if I had never-ending money and I could prepare for next summer, but I can't. But I did try to style it some different ways, so you could kind of see how you could like put a blue jean jacket with it, and you could still wear it. It does transition. It's just, for me, I need more, yeah. But it looked cute with the little blue jean jacket. What did you guys think? Did you guys think the blue jean jacket worked? And I also tried a black sweater. I'll try to insert both clips. Do they work or do they not work? And should this just be strictly a summer dress and call it a day at that? Okay, did I give you any information about this? I don't think I did. This is called a Spellbound Dress in the color olive, and it's $31.49. Yeah, cute, I like it. I don't have $30 for a summer dress right now, but Nadine, if you're remembering and you're taking notes, send this to me in the spring, please, because I really did like it. Okay, now we went from the bracelet I liked and those 4 items I liked. Now we're going to take a little turn. The next 2 items I feel are more pajamas. I would only wear them for pajamas, but I inserted a clip of me wearing those so you guys could see these. I would never wear this outside. But I'm not being totally fair with the shirt. The shirt is just your basic, you know, your little tank top. You could wear that outside, and you could even, you know, put a sweater on. You could put that with some blue jeans. That's not being totally fair. But I paired this as a group. These little pair of shorts. Now, I think these would look cute for a teenager. I could see a little teenager wearing this, but for me, this is a pajama outfit. And even then, I'm just, yeah. Okay, let me give you the information on the shirt. This is called just a navy top for $19.49. I'm not paying $19.49 for a tank top. Nope, not doing it. But I liked it. Did have buttons, and the material was pretty nice. What is it? I don't know, guys. I will look, and I will put it at the bottom of the screen when I find out what the material is. But it was made from Bracelet. Okay, and here's the shorts. Like I said, they reminded me very much of pajama shorts. I would only wear these as pajamas to bed, and, you know, that would be about that. I would not wear those outside in a million years. But these were the Paula pink floral shorts for $12.19. So, if you wanted some pajama shorts, $12.19, that's not bad. So, that's that. But overall, I was more happy again. I feel like pajamas, only pajamas, and the rest I really did love. So I really like the scarf, and I like the wild animal print cardigan. And I did like the bracelet too, because it goes with my little ring. So those 3 I'm gonna have to really think about. And I like the dress, but I'm not paying $31 for a summer dress when we're going into fall and winter, and I live in Ohio, so that's just not gonna happen. But anyway, guys, that was my Nadine West unbagging. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me your thoughts and opinions. What were your favorites? Would you only wear these for bed? Do you think, what are your thoughts about the dress? And what did you think about the scarf and the cardigan? Give me your thoughts, guys. I love hearing from you. Do you think some things worked? If you think things didn't work, please be kind, but tell me what you think didn't work, because I love hearing your opinions. Everybody, you know, we're all different. We all think different. And I love hearing, like I've seen some things, people will make a remark that I didn't see, but then when they make the remark and I'm like, I didn't see that. And now it was so obvious, you know, so I really appreciate it because I don't see everything, you know? So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait for my next Nadine West. And, I should have said this at the beginning of the video. Last month I did enter the Nadine West contest. I did not win. Another girl, she won. She had a lot of votes. But anyway, for those of you who took the time to vote for me, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And as a matter of fact, just because I posted on Facebook, Nadine West gave me a $6 credit. So yay. So I got my shipping styling fee and another $6 credit. So thank you, Nadine West. I did not even know that was going to happen. Okay, guys, now I will wrap this video up. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.